Hi, this is Rod again. It is August 9th, 2017, and we're going to talk about the difference between an inline element and a block element. You can find really good information at W3 Schools if you Google it, W3 inline versus block, and click on that. And basically, a block element is an element that wants to take up the whole length of the page. It doesn't like to share, it doesn't like anybody next to it. Examples are divs, heading tags, paragraph tags, and forms. In their natural state, they don't want to share space. Inline elements don't mind being next to each other. Spans, A tags, images, they will naturally line up next to each other. So we're going to see how to make a block element able to line up next to one another. In order to demonstrate this, I'm going to remove the center tags that I have there so that everything is over to the left, and we're going to have the different heading tags and everything lined up next to each other. Let me move this stuff out of the way. I didn't really need to open it. So in CSS, there's a rule that you can apply, and I'm going to show you how to do it right now, because in a website you do want things lining up next to each other. You don't need something taking up the whole page every time, and I'm just trying to open that up to give you some to show you. Alright, so we're going to start with the H1 tag, and we're going to type in display inline, and then this now becomes an inline tag, and we're going to grab the H2 header and give it the same. I keep wanting to say command. It's not a command. It's the same code, and just type display inline. And now these two block items, who normally don't like to line up next to each other, can coexist together, just like that. And you can do the same for the heading 3 tag and the paragraph. I think on this video I even put display inline on the image, but I didn't have to because the image tag is inline by default. So that's how you do it. So now they're all lining up next to each other, and as I said, I did it for the image as well. Display inline. So the whole purpose of this videos is to help you, but it's also, as I'm learning HTML, doing videos also helps me to commit it to long-term memory. So it's also to help me. And if there's space, it'll move over. If not, it won't. So now there's more space. So now the inline image moved over. So as a matter of fact, as I said before, didn't have to do that for the image tag. Just to show you what it would look like on a website, you can give it a margin of 1%, because very rarely on a website will things line up right next to each other that way. So let's put some margin in between them, and then now you'll see it have a little space in between them. And that's where I just removed from the image tag. Okay, that's it. Blocks versus inline elements. Thanks for watching.